Ay, nagkusit-sit eh. Ouch. Hi, hi. Hi, hi, Messi. Good evening, Messi. Okay, how are you? Yeah, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, so today, let us have first, wait ha. Cat speaking. Okay, your mom told me that we need to have speaking. So right now, I will give you the speaking class. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so our topic, popular topic, we have family, best friends, hometown, your house, sports, computer, and collecting. Okay, sorry, Miss, I forgot my headset. Okay, so we have here, Messi, we're going to talk about this. For example, speaking part one, teacher will ask questions for you. Okay, so
Yes.
what is your name?
Um, my name is Fan.
Pan. Pan Kim Pat, is that your real name?
Yes.
Okay. Pan Kim Pat. Pat. Okay. Fat. Fat. It's letter. It's like PH, like letter F. Fat. Okay. Pan Kim Pat. Okay. Uh, where do you? What is your surname? Your name is Pan, and your surname is Pat.
Yes. Oh
Okay.
no.
Your first name. What is your first name?
Um, my name is Fan and my surname is Fan.
Your name is Fan and your surname is Pat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, where do you come from?
Uh, I come from Vietnam.
Okay, where in Vietnam? Vietnam is very, very big country.
Yes.
Okay, where in Vietnam? In where in Vietnam, Messi?
Uh,
Where in Vietnam? You were in where?
in Da Nang
Danang.
City.
Danang. Okay. Do you like studying English?
What?
Do you like studying English?
Yes.
Okay. So what are your hobbies, Messi? What are your hobbies? Are, so it means many.
My
What are
hobby.
your, go?
My hobby is
Yes.
play sport.
Sorry. Messi. S. Please pronounce again.
Is
See, you can pronounce it. S.
is
Okay. What are your hobbies?
my hobbies is
Are.
play.
My hobbies are. Okay.
My hobbies are
Very good.
play sport,
What
uh,
else?
play sport and mm,
How about painting or drawing?
yes, I like drawing.
Okay, do you love to draw or you paint?
Yes,
Okay. What let us talk about your family. Okay. How many members of family do you have?
I have five.
Five. Okay. Who are the members of the family?
What
Who are the members of the family?
is my dad, my mom,
Your mom,
my brother,
Your
My
brother,
sister,
your
my sister
sister,
and me.
and
Me.
your dad. Okay, and you. Okay. What is the work of your mom? What is the work
Uh,
of your mom? Job.
my mom is accountant.
Accountant. Okay. How about your dad? What is the work of your dad?
My dad is business.
Hmm?
Is business.
Your dad is a business
Yes.
man. Okay. Now let us have this one. Okay, like that. My name is Sam. What is your surname? My surname is Gali. That is Gally. Gali. Okay, here one. Okay, let us have this. Okay, okay that one. Okay, so ask and answer. Okay, so we have here the logo about Happy Days Club. This is for young people from 12 to 18. Okay, so this is every Friday, 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. So it's nighttime, Messi. The address is, what is the address, Messi? 20.
29.
Okay, 29 Milton Street. That is the address. Okay, now I will ask her. You will gonna look at the card, this card, when teacher is asking. Okay, number one. What is the name of the club?
The club name is Happy Day.
Okay, the club's name is Happy Day. Okay, so next one. Where is it? Okay. When will be the club open? When? Every
The this
when? Every what? That's the date,
every
the time.
Friday.
Okay,
Every
very good. Every Friday, what time?
uh
Every Friday at
hmm,
okay, 7:30 to 10:30
7:30 to
p.m.
10:30.
Yes. Okay, now. Okay, ask and answer questions. Okay, club for young people. Okay. So what they will do there? What they will gonna do in the Happy Days Club? What they
Uh,
will gonna do in the Happy Days Club?
we dance.
They will gonna have
Dance.
games. What else?
Music.
Okay, what else?
Dancing, and a lot
Dancing and
and lots
lots
more.
more. Very good. Okay, where is Happy Days Club located? What is the location of Happy Days Club?
In 29 Meter Street.
Okay, it's
Huh?
29 Milton Street. 29 Milton Street. Okay, that is the Happy Club. Okay. Okay, so how much is the cost? How much is the cost?
Just once per week.
Okay, it is £1 per week.
Week.
£1 per week. Okay. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so look at this one. Okay. Next, ask and answer now. Let us answer about this. Okay, ready? Please try to look up Sandon Air Museum. Okay, please study the Sandon Air Museum. Okay? You tell me if you're done reading with this. Okay?
Write the chalkboard.
Okay, yeah, this one. No, this one. Okay, you speak. Okay. What? Number
I
one
speak.
question. Okay. Yeah, you speak. Number one question. Okay, look at this one as Sandon Air Museum. Number one. What can you see in the museum? Okay, look at this one.
Uh,
What can you see in the museum?
I see more than seven, 70 uh, plants.
Okay, you can see it's an old plane. Okay, it's an old plane. Okay, now, is it open on Wednesday at the weekends?
Uh,
Okay,
Open daily.
okay. Now,
10
is it open on weekends? Weekends. Is it open in weekends? Weekends like Saturday and Sunday. Is it open? Yes or no?
yes.
Okay, very good. It's yes because it is daily. Okay, next one. How much is a student ticket? How much is the student ticket?
Student teacher is five.
Okay,
Five.
it is 5. What is the sign?
I don't know.
Okay.
Five.
Okay. It is £5. Okay. Now, how much is a student ticket? £5. Now, is there a car park? Messi, is there a car park?
Yes.
Okay, there is a car park. Okay, now,
Yes.
can I buy a postcard there?
Yes.
Okay. Postcard. How much is the postcard? Let me see. Shop with books and postcards. Large for car park. Oh, there is a postcard. We can buy postcard. Okay. So actually, it is easy to access. Okay, let's move to the next. Wait, another one. Okay. Okay. Wait me, ha. Okay, another one. We have another one. Let's see. Wait me, ha. Go back to our original form. Go back to this. Okay. We'll share now the next activity. Okay, so we have here another sticky class. Please. Section 2, you will be asked some questions that require longer answers. Longer, huh? It's not only yes or no, it is longer. Now, so these are the popular topic. What topic you want to talk about?
uh, sport.
Okay, stamp. Okay, what you want stamp? There's no stamp here. Your
Sport.
favorite topic? Uh-huh. Sport.
Sport.
Sport. Okay. What sport do you like to play?
Uh, I I like basketball very much.
Okay, you like basketball person. Oh, you are a basketball type of person. You love basketball as a sport. Okay, you love it. Okay, student interactions. Okay, this is the student interaction. Okay, so this one. We have here the card. Okay, now. Where do you study, Messi? Where do you study, Messi?
I study at school. At school.
Okay, is it far from your house?
I study at school.
Okay. Now, what subject do you like the best, Messi?
Uh, the just the
The one
subject
that
I
your
like
favorite.
is math.
Huh?
Math and math
Math. Okay, do you like math? Why you like
and
math?
English. Math and English.
And English. Math is expensive. You like math?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you often do at the weekend? Okay, what will you do at the weekend in your house?
Uh, I often do morning exercise in morning, and in the morning
Saturday and Sunday, what do you do on Saturday and Sunday?
I take a bath and have a breakfast. Mm. As as learn
Okay. So what do you do at the weekend? Like Saturday, oh, tomorrow is Saturday. Saturday and Sunday, what do you do, Messi? Do you go play? Do you go with your mom? What else? Do you go
I
shopping with your sisters? Okay, go.
uh, I I often go shopping with my mom.
Okay, next one. Who do you like spending time with? Who do you like spending time with? Like you will go to the coffee shop, you will go to the mall, to the park. Okay, who is this person?
Uh,
Okay. Who do you like spending time with? Your friends, your mom, your dad, or your brother, or your best friends?
Spending.
Who?
Uh,
Who do you
is
like?
my
Yeah, your
is my
mom.
sister.
Ah, your sister. Where will you go with Caroline?
Hmm?
Okay. Where do you go whenever it's vacation? Example, it's summer now. You will go somewhere with Caroline. Where?
Go go playground and go shopping.
Okay, you will go playground and then shopping. Okay, spending time. Tell me about your best friend. Do you have best friend in school?
Yes, my best friend is Han.
Okay. So tell me about your best friend. Do you have best friend in your school or
Yes,
in the neighbor?
yes.
Okay, how old are they, Mickey? Messi.
What?
Okay. Tell me about your best friend. Describe your best friend. She is
Um,
white, tall,
my best friend, he is Han. He is very tall.
okay, very tall. Wow. What is his name?
His name is
His
Han.
name. His name is
Han. Han.
okay. So your best friend is tall. Is he smart?
What? Sure.
Okay. Okay, tell me about your best friend. Okay,
Um,
tall. What else? Is
he
he
tall.
handsome?
Yes, he handsome and kind.
Okay, wow, he is handsome and tall. Okay, so we have here, Messi, the different subjects. Okay, these subjects, the one we taught in high school. Okay, so we have here the different, what subject do you study?
Uh, I learned many subjects at school, such as math, English, music, history, etc.
Okay, so this is about what subject do you study?
Which subject? Uh, I like English the best because it helps me communicate with English-speaking people around the world.
Okay, now, what subject do you study? English, you love English. Which is your favorite subject?
Was
Okay, so what subject do you study? Of course, English. Okay, what subject, what is your favorite subjects? What is your favorite subject? It
my favorite
is?
subject is English.
Okay, now,
And
you have your school subject. Can you see? Messi, many school subject. Okay, if you want to take, what's this? A nurse, a painter. Okay, so they will gonna go in your place. Okay, now, what do you do at the weekends? What do
after
you do
we
at the weekend?
yeah, after weekend,
Okay, what do you do at the weekends? Are you going to friends? You will going to classmates? What else?
after weekend, I I play with my friend in the playground.
Okay. Now, okay, for example, I really like playing sports with my friends. That is how you will going to speak up. Okay. Who do you like spending time with? What is your answer? I like spending time with my best friend Layla. We often we chat about everything and help each other with our homework. Okay. Okay, so we have here best friend. Now, Messi, you have to write in the chat box your best friends, or you can write it here in this case. You can write, give a description to your best friend. Okay, dear teacher Anne, I would like to ask, or please help me to understand. Okay,
Uh,
so now the answer should be at least 3 sentences. You will gonna tell about your best friend. Example, my best friend is Antonio. Or you will write Antonio. Okay, he is married with 2 children. The name of the children are. Okay, so please write down. Describe your best friend, ha? Okay, go. Oh, sorry. Where is it? Na, Messi.
I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye.
Okay, so
Bye 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 bye,
so we're
goodbye.
done with it.
Bye
Okay. So
bye,
again, please write ha.
goodbye. Bye bye
Only your
bye
writing
bye,
you put in the
goodbye.
space. Okay, please follow
Goodbye.
instructions.
turn.
All full like this. Name, physical appearance, personality, best friends. Okay. Tell me if you're done.
Teacher write in the chat box or speaking. Teacher, teacher, you will turn off the mic.
Yeah. Wait me. I tried to off because I need to. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Bye, kid. Bye. So this is. Please write your answer about describing your best friends. You will gonna describe your best friend. How your best friend looks like. Oh, you tell me the name of the best friend, huh? You write
Yeah.
also the name of the best friend. Wait.
Write the name of the best friend in the chat box.
Yeah, in the chat box. This is you write the name of your best friends in the chat box. Okay, wait. Okay, this one. Tell me about your best friends. Okay, this one. Okay, like that. His name is
Huh?
like this. This is the pattern, huh? Tell me about your best friends. The name. Is he older than you or younger? The address. Tall, thin. How about the hair? Long, short, curly. Okay. You can write in the chat box together with the name. Where is it?
Tell
Your
write
best
about,
in the
write
chat.
about the best friend.
Yeah, yeah. His name is Hua Hong Wai. Okay, you tell me how old, what is the nickname? Look at this one. Can you see this? Can you see in the board? Name, younger or older than you, the age.
Huh?
Okay, is he tall, thin, long, short, handsome, smart, or not smart? Okay, what do you think? Okay, go. Not yet. I feel cold now.
Teacher.
Okay, done? Not
Mm,
yet?
oh, yes, teacher.
Okay, done? Okay. What is the name of your best friend? It is here. Oh, Fu Hoi Huang. Okay. How is old or young is this?
What?
Okay. So, he is tall and kind. Okay. Now, okay. How
I don't.
about description? Give me description of her height. She is, oh, he or she? Oh, he is tall. Okay. He is actually tall, you said. Okay. His hobby is playing sports like me. Okay. Uh, Messi, his hobby is playing sports like me. Like me, huh? Like me. Not me too. Like me. Okay. He is very strong and handsome. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, is your best friend kind?
Yes.
How old is your best friend?
He's 11 years old.
10 or 11 years old. Okay. Do you live in the same address?
No.
Okay. Okay, where are they living right now? Where is Hoy right now?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Wait, I cannot open your answer now. My other is here. He's very strong and handsome. Okay. Now, he is kind too. Okay. His name is Ho Huai Huang. Okay. How old is he? 10 also? 10 years old? 10?
11.
11. How about you, Messi? How old are you, Messi?
I 11 too.
Are you 11 too? Do you go in the same school?
Yes.
Wow. Who is smarter? You or he?
What?
Okay. Next. What is her personality? Is he shy? Um is he shy? Is he handsome? Is he teen? Is he young? Okay. So next one is he's very strong and handsome. Oh, how did you know he's very strong? Messi. How did you know Messi that he's very strong?
Yes.
How
Um,
do you know? Like, how do you know that he is handsome? Okay, because of course you know him because he is your best friend. Okay,
yes.
his best friend. Okay, now do you work or do you do your homework? Do you do your homework at school? Messi, please
Yes.
answer. Okay, very good. Okay. Do your teachers often give you much homework? Okay,
Yes.
this is
A
the
lot
last
of.
teacher, the last teacher. Do your teachers often give you much homework?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how much time do you spend doing your homework? How much time do you spend doing your homework?
What? Teacher.
What is that? Okay. Now, do your teachers often give you much homework like every day? Are there many homeworks in school? Yes or no? Bessie, yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How much time do you spend doing your homework every day? How many how much time? How much time? Okay?
Uh,
And
one
please
half.
don't go and please don't skip. Okay. How much time do you spend doing your homework every day? Okay. So how much time do you spend doing homework every day? 2 hours, 1 hour, what?
One half.
1.5 hour. What will you do? What is your favorite subject?
Month. I don't know. What's the
Okay. How much time every day? 1 hour? Do you do more homework or half day? When you, when you do your homework, how much time do you spend? Like 10 minutes or 20 minutes? What?
uh 30 minutes?
30 minutes because it's very hot. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have to take extra classes? Example, it's already summer and your dad asks you, Messi, okay, you enroll in another activity. Okay. So do you think it is good? Okay. Do you have to take extra classes every day or no? Not anymore. Okay. How long is your summer vacation? How long is your summer vacation?
Um,
Okay. How long is your summer vacation now? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months? How long?
one.
How long is your summer vacation? 1, 2 weeks, 1 week? Okay, how many? How long?
Uh, two, maybe
How long is your summer vacation? From January, or it's 2 months, teacher. How long?
3 months.
3 months. Okay, 3 months. Do you like your teacher?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like going to school every day, Messi?
Uh,
Okay. So, do you
yes.
like going to school every day? Every day you like going to school.
Yes.
Okay.
Except weekend.
Oh, weekend you don't need go to school because no classes, but tomorrow is weekend. Okay. So we have here, please try to answer this one. Okay, now. Okay. Where is the party located?
Teacher.
You can find your answer in here. Where is the party located? You can find your answer there.
I don't see.
You didn't see? Wait,
Yes.
huh? Okay. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Okay now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now. Where is the party located? Oh, you speak only, speak.
Uh,
Two. Two. Whose party is it? Whose party is it?
Yes, because his clothes
Okay. Where? Oh, who's with the party? It is. Who is with the party?
is
There is a live music. Okay. Now, is this party finished or not finished yet? Okay, Missy. So, who is at the party? All come to Peter's party. All. Okay, it's all. Okay. What time does the party finished? What time
uh,
the party
the
finished?
8 p.m. to 11:30 p.m.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. Where is the party held? Garden? Whose party is it? Peter's party. That's the name of the boy. Okay. Why does Peter hold the party? Because he passed his school exam. Okay. And what time? Very good. And can we dance there? Yes, we can because everyone is invited. Okay, Messi?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Messi, thank you so much for tonight. Teacher and will say goodbye. Tomorrow we're gonna have another speaking. Okay, you tell me ha if you want speaking or reading. You tell me ha. You tell teacher.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Messi. Good night.
Goodbye.